And a very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
First of all, I would like to thank to Global Spoken English for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. My name is Vishal and I am from Holipur. My father's name is Mr. Rambo Rajbhat and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English and I am today here to deliver a speech on importance of the responsibilities. And I hope that the all students will learn something from it. Before starting my speech, I would like to speak some lines in Hindi. कि निगाहों में मंजिल थी गिरे और गिरकर संभलते रहे, कि निगाहों में मंजिल थी गिरे और गिरकर संभलते रहे. हवाओं ने बहुत कोशिश की, कि हवाओं ने बहुत कोशिश की मगर चिराग आंधियों में भी जलते रहे. Now I am going to start my topic, the importance of responsibilities. Responsibilities mean a duty of obligation to complete a task. As we know, responsibility is one of the most important value in a life because it gives us a sense of purpose and identity, and it makes us feel good about ourselves. And today would be face the dilemma of balancing our personal needs and responsibilities. Against responsibility, those are key factor in your life. It is your ability to take care about your things, and you should take care about other things because you are responsible for this. And if you don't have any responsibility in your life, then your life is without any responsibility. Because if you don't have any responsibility, then you will not think more than more. But if you have responsibility, then you will give your best and you will think more than more and you will become a best. So I want to remind you all people, one most important responsibility in the world, we should always love and respect our parents and we should take care of them. Because you cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow, it's hidden by today. So knowing yourself, believing yourself, it's your responsibility. So I wonder my space, thanking all great people, paying it to my word. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.